As a VCC student, you have access to Office 365 for free. That includes Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook, Teams, and more. You can use these apps online over your web browser, or you can download them and install them onto your computer or mobile device. This video will show you how. To access your VCC Microsoft account, you'll need to set up multi-factor authentication first. If you haven't done that yet, take a few minutes to do it now. Check out our video tutorial for help. The link is in the description of this video. If you've already set up multi-factor authentication, great. The next step is to sign into MyVCC. Enter the URL my.vcc.ca. Enter your VCC email address, your student number at student.vcc.ca, and hit Next. Enter your password and click Sign In. Now you'll have to use the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone to verify your login, and you've signed in to MyVCC. To access your Microsoft account, including apps like Word and Outlook, click Email. You'll be prompted to consent to the disclosure of your personal information, which you have to do to access your VCC Microsoft account. So click the checkbox and click Submit. Great, now we've logged into our Microsoft account. Click the App Launcher on the top left corner to explore all the programs you can access. To use an app over the web, just click the icon. For example, I'll open Microsoft Word. Now we can create, edit, save, and upload files all over a web browser without downloading anything onto a computer. That's pretty handy, especially if we're using a borrowed computer. But sometimes you need to be able to work offline, which means you have to download Microsoft 365 and install it on your computer. So go back home. And on the right-hand side of the page, you'll see a button labeled Install Apps. Click the button and then click Microsoft 365 to download. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead and open it. This is what it looks like to download Microsoft 365 and install it on a Mac. It'll look a little bit different on a PC. Here, I'll click Continue. I'll click Continue again and agree to the license. I'll click Continue again and again. You might have to enter your password. This process will probably take several minutes. It looks like Microsoft 365 was installed successfully, so let's give it a try. Now, if I open up Applications on my Mac, I can see that a whole suite of Microsoft programs, including Microsoft Word, have been installed. I can use all of these programs offline on my computer. I'll just need to sign in or create an account in order to do so. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching.